Genesis chapter 9, God's covenant with Noah. Verse 1. Then God blessed Noah and his sons, saying to them, Be fruitful and increase in number and fill the earth. Verse 2. The fear and dread of you will fall on all the beasts of the earth, and on all the birds in the sky, and on every creature that moves along the ground, and on all the fish in the sea. They are given into your hands. Verse 3. Everything that lives and moves about will be food for you. Just as I gave you the green plants, I now give you everything. Verse 4. But you must not eat meat that has its lifeblood still in it. Verse 5. And for your lifeblood, I will surely demand an accounting. I will demand an accounting from every animal and from each human being too. I will demand an accounting for the life of another human being. Verse 6. Whoever sheds human blood, by humans shall their blood be shed. For in the image of God has God made mankind. Verse 7. As for you, be fruitful and increase in number. Multiply on the earth and increase upon it. Verse 8. Then God said to Noah and to his sons with him, Verse 9, I now establish my covenant with you and your descendants after you. Verse 10, and with every living creature that was with you, the birds, the livestock, and all the wild animals, all those that came out of the ark with you, every living creature on earth. Verse 11, I establish my covenant with you. Never again will all life be destroyed by the waters of a flood. Never again will there be a flood to destroy the earth. Verse 12, and God said, This is the sign of the covenant that I am making between me and you and every living creature with you, a covenant for all generations to come. Verse 13, I have set my rainbow in the clouds, and it will be the sign of the covenant between me and the earth. Verse 14, whenever I bring clouds over the earth, and the rainbows appear in the clouds, verse 15, I will remember my covenant between me and you and all living creatures of every kind. Never again will the waters become a flood to destroy all life. Verse 16. Whenever the rainbow appears in the clouds, I will remember it and remember the everlasting covenant between God and all living creatures of every kind on the earth. Verse 17. So God said to Noah, "This is the sign of the covenant I have established between me and all life on the earth." Verse 18. The sons of Noah who came out of the ark were Shem, Ham, and Japheth. Ham was the father of Canaan. Verse 19. These were the three sons of Noah, and from them came people who were scattered over the whole earth. Verse 20. Noah, a man of the soil, proceeded to plant a vineyard. Verse 21. Now when he drank some of its wine, he became drunk and lay uncovered inside his tent. Verse 22. Ham, the father of Canaan, saw his father naked and told his two brothers outside. Verse 23. But Shem and Japheth took a garment and laid it across their shoulders. Then they walked in backward and covered their father's naked body. Their faces were turned the other way so that they would not see their father naked. Verse 24. When Noah awoke from his wine and found out what his youngest son had done to him, verse 25, he said, "Cursed be Canaan. The lowest of slaves will he be to his brothers." Verse 26, he also said, "Praise be to the Lord, the God of Shem. May Canaan be the slave of Shem." Verse 27, may God extend Japheth's territory. May Japheth live in the tents of Shem, and may Canaan be the slave of Japheth. Verse 28, after the flood, Noah lived 350 years. Verse 29, Noah lived a total of 950 years, and then he died.